Let's now move on. Deputy President William Ruto and his newfound allies in the Kenyan coast are asking court leaders concerning corruption allegations in Kilifi County. Ruto says that the court leaders have styled themselves as whistleblowers in every other case, but have gone suddenly silent on claims of tens of millions stolen from the Kilifi County government. Ruto spoke as residents of Mtwapa held protests demanding answers on the loss of 51 million Kenya shillings. All right, let's now speak to Coastal Region reporter Francis Ontomwa, who's now joining us live. Good afternoon, Francis. This is a case that has attracted a lot of reaction from so many people. What do you have for us now?
Well, Akisa, indeed, this Kilifi corruption allegations has created a lot of discussions down here in the coast region. Residents are speaking about this subject. And of course, following yesterday's assertions by the Deputy President that the court coalition was silent on this particular corruption allegation, of course, saying because it happened in their zone, that has created a bit of discussions down here. I've been speaking to leaders and they have said that corruption, wherever or whenever it happens, it has to be condemned by all and sundry. Well, as it stands right now, we are still waiting to hear from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, the Directorate of Criminal Investigation, and even the Banking Fraud Unit to be able to give us details as to what exactly they have found out. But as it stands right now, we understand that reports say 51 million shillings were actually siphoned from the bank accounts of, from actually the CBK accounts of Kilifi County to some private, some 6 companies that are based in Nairobi. And that is the discussion that we are still following for you. Right now, I'm joined by the Senator for Taita Taveta, Dan Mwazo, who comes from a court zone, to be able to hear what he has to say about these allegations. Welcome to KTN, Mr. Dan Mwazo.
Thank you.
Allegations that are coming from the other side of the coalition is that you guys in the court coalition are not speaking about these particular issues that are happening in Kilifi.
I think we're speaking about it. It's only that maybe we're not speaking about it loudly. But let me say, a theft is a theft. Either it happens in the political divide or in our religious groupings, a theft is a theft. What we would want to see from the government and from the court coalition is that we condemn and we pursue the theft that has taken place. It's not 51 million. Actually, it comes to about 1 billion shillings. And the people of Kilifi are actually suffering, actually dying because of a continued famine right now. Therefore, we would want the anti-corruption, we would want the CID, the DPP, and the police, and all the concerned agencies to go with full speed to actually investigate and bring the people who have actually stolen the money from the people of Kilifi be taken to book. Number 2, I think let's not look at it, because the DP was in Kilifi yesterday and instructed that the agencies must actually go in full force. Here, it is like double standards. There have been a lot of theft day by day. Every day in the national government, there are also, in fact, in the Ministry of Health right now, there has been National Youth Service. There has been many others. We would want, with the same interest, with the same energy, the DP is focusing on Kilifi matters, to also focus in his own government so that these thieves are taken to Shimolatewa, they are taken to Manyani and commit maximum prison. Let me say that a thief is a thief. If you steal a mango, or you steal a chicken, you steal a cow, or you steal 1 million, they are all thieves. When they go to the prison, they are not separated. They are all thieves. We would want all thieves shipped to the prison so that they can answer. Not only to the prison, the billions, they must be recovered so that the people of Kilifi, the people of Kenya, the sick people in Kenya, the Ministry of Health, the thieves must be rotting in the prisons as we speak now. But they are scot-free and walking. What a shame in this country.
All right. Many thanks, Senator, for your sentiments. Thank you for joining us. Well, that has been Dan Mwazo, the Senator for Taita Taveta, giving surgery into what is transpiring right now in Kilifi County as regards the allegations